Air Canada expects to cancel the majority of its estimated 700 daily flights on Friday, ahead of a planned Saturday strike by unionized flight attendants. The country's largest carrier operates over 250 aircraft on flights to more than 65 countries. The cancellations have left some 100,000 passengers scrambling to make alternative travel plans. Air Canada's Chief Operations Officer, Mark Nasser, spoke at a press conference held by executives at the airline on Thursday.
This approach will help limit the strike's impact by allowing as many customers as possible to complete their journeys. But importantly, it will also help facilitate an orderly restart, which, under the best circumstances, will take a full week to complete.
Nasser added the airline would allow travelers to change their travel plans without a fee if they so chose. The press conference ended abruptly when union members entered the Toronto hotel conference room where it was being held. The two sides are at odds over higher pay and compensation for unpaid work. Most airlines traditionally pay flight attendants only when planes are in motion. But in their latest contract negotiations, flight attendants in North America have sought compensation for hours worked, including for tasks such as boarding passengers and waiting around the airport before and between flights. The union said Air Canada had offered to begin compensating their 10,000 flight attendants for some unpaid work, which it said amounts to about 35 hours a month, but only at 50% of their hourly rate. The airline said it had offered a 38% increase in total compensation for flight attendants over 4 years, with a 25% raise in the first year. The Canadian Union of Public Employees, which represents the flight attendants, has not publicized what it has asked for in terms of higher wages. A union spokesperson said Air Canada negotiators stopped bargaining and have not responded to a proposal they made earlier this week. The airline's chief human resources officer said on Thursday the carrier was, quote, available to bargain at any time on the condition that the negotiation has substance.